Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a limited edition unboxing. It's from latestinbeauty and it's the fabulous What's Hot 2021 collaboration box. It is heavy, it is jam-packed full of products, so I'm going to be opening it up and showing you what's inside. If you're new to latestinbeauty do monthly subscription boxes, and they also do what are known as collection boxes, which are limited edition boxes that they bring out roughly every month, every 6 weeks. The cost of this box is £32 and it has a value of £128. If you are a pro subscriber to the latestinbeauty subscription, which means you've subscribed to this subscription box for more than 3 months, you will automatically receive 15% off all of their collection boxes. Currently, latestinbeauty only ship within the UK. There's 13 products inside this box and 11 are full size. So inside you find a card like this, and it details everything about the products. I'll give you a quick sneak peek. Now, you're not going to be able to see much because everything's placed on top of each other. But to give you a bit of background information about this box and why it was curated, I'll just read this little message here. 2021 just got a whole lot hotter. We're so excited to launch our first ever What's Hot beauty box, full to the brim with this year's most buzzworthy beauty products and featuring the latest ingredients, eco-friendly innovations and cult classics you won't want to be without. With £128 worth of products inside, our 2021 edit is the perfect upgrade to your old beauty. So let's go through it one by one. So the first item is a zero plastic waste Garnier Ultimate Blend Shampoo Bar, 94% plant-based, hydrating coconut and organic aloe vera for normal hair, and it lasts up to 2 months. I am really chuffed that more brands are coming out with these bars. Really chuffed. Garnier is such a well-known brand. I think it's brilliant that they've come out with these. Oh, the smell! Oh, it's so nice. Oh, it says this, smell me. There's a little hole. But yeah, ideally I would like it for dry hair for me personally. And the information just goes on to tell you what I read off the back there. So we've got a shampoo bar. Next we've got a Sunday Rain Energizing Dry Body Scrub with coffee and vanilla extracts, and we've got 170 grams there. I've had a few products from Sunday Rain before and they do the most amazing smelling things. They're really nice. Really nice. I haven't tried this before though. It says promoting cell renewal for brighter, smoother skin. Sunday Rain's body scrub is a shower time delight. Take a moment to exfoliate and energize with a delectable mix of coffee to stimulate blood flow and vanilla extract. So we've got a body scrub by Sunday Rain. Next we've got a pillow mist, and this is by Nature Inspired Botanics. This is Peaceful Night Pillow Mist, Lavender and Sweet Marjoram, and there's 100 mils there. What's sweet marjoram smell like? I can't think. I have to spray it. Oh, that's quite a strong spray. You'd have to do that quite far away from your pillows or else you'll soak them. Oh, it smells so nice. It does smell nice. Yeah, we go through a lot of pillow sprays in the house. Mainly me and my daughter, but yeah, we do really like them. Naturally calming the mind and preparing you for sleep, this peaceful pillow mist is made with a soothing vegan-friendly blend of lavender and sweet marjoram oils to relax the body and encourage inner peace. So there's that. Next we've got something for your hair, and this is the Hair Lab by Mark Hill Working Styling Spray for all hair types. It's 200 mils here, and it says 100% natural certified organic essential oils, Moroccan argan oil, palmarosa and orange oil. It's vegan friendly and cruelty free. Wow, it sounds like it's going to smell gorgeous. Use on damp hair to add volume, grip and hold. Use on dry hair to add texture, style, definition, shine and control flyaways. Oh, I see. Okay. I gotta smell it. I know it's gonna mix now with the marjoram and chamomile or lavender. I can smell orange. That sounds fab. So it's a working styling spray. Next we've got a product from Elf, and this is a Holy Hydration face cream with hyaluronic acid and peptide complex, and there's 50 grams here. Now this range, the hydration range, came out recently in the last month or two I think. I've just bought the cleanser from this range, so it'd be nice to see what this is like. So it looks like that. Open it up and show you. There. Yeah, it feels nice. It feels really nice. Yeah. Yeah, just a nice, fresh, subtle smell. A silky smooth formula for a burst of instant moisture. This fragrance-free cream maintains and protects the key ingredients like squalane, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide and peptide complex. Soft to the touch, dreamy, supple skin this way. It's got a face cream by e.l.f. Next we've got a product for your hair again. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product, limited edition, and we've got 59.1 mils there. I don't know anything about this product. It's amazingly easy to use. Shampoo and condition hair, towel dry, spray product all over hair and comb through. 10 key benefits, suitable for all tress types and acts as an instant hair fixer. We got a leave-in hair treatment. Next we got a Dr. Botanicals product, and this is a Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil, infused with vitamins, essential oils and botanical extracts for a brighter, even skin tone. And we got 30 mils here. Now I received this quite a few times in different subscription boxes a couple of years ago, and it is a really nice product. It is lovely. I remember I mixed it in with foundations, mixed it in with moisturizers. Yeah, it's very lightweight. It hasn't got a really strong rosy smell. I don't really like rose smells at all. This vegan-friendly formula is made from 100% natural ingredients and targets areas of concern such as dullness, dry skin, fine lines and pigmentation. It's got face oil. Next we got a product by Loctane, and this is a dry skin hand cream. This is 30 mils and it's got 20% shea butter. Whoa, nice and thick. Oh yeah. Oh, the perfect hand cream. It's just really thick and luxurious, but then it blends beautifully into the skin. Yeah, it feels really, really nice. It's not tacky. It's just really, really nice. I do really like it. Get on my knuckles there. Yeah, the smell is gorgeous. Yeah, they do amazing hand creams. Next we got a product from Boots, and this is Boots Ingredients, and this is Bakuchiol, and this is a serum. It's a plant-based alternative to retinol. The serum helps skin look rejuvenated. It's more radiant, more healthy and feels smoother, and we got 30 mils here. I've heard great things about this ingredient. Please let me know down below if you use it and how it compares to an ordinary retinol. I'd love to know if you notice any difference. The information just goes on to telling you what I read off the front there. So you've got a face serum. Then we've got a blush by Bare Minerals, and this is a powder blush in shade On the Move, or On the Mauve. Yeah, that's a really lovely shade. Ooh, so smooth. Yeah, I really like that. Definitely a shade I wear. It just says natural flush, buildable colour. This ultra creamy, mineral rich formula defines the cheekbones and warms the complexion for a soft focused blush that complements all skin tones. So we've got a blusher. Next we've got a full size dry shampoo from Batiste. This is a floral and flirty blush dry shampoo, and there's 200 mils here. Always handy, always handy. I have to spray it. I can't think if this is... No, it's fine. It's not overly like rosy smelling. I do love floral smells, I just don't like rose. But yeah. It says Batiste not only refreshes the hair in between washes, but adds volume and texture too. Simply shake the can, spray onto the root and massage into your hair. Then we've got a Cleanse Off Mitt, reusable makeup remover and pre-cleansing tool, and this is by the Skin Nerd. Oh, this is something new I haven't seen before or heard of before. Obviously I've heard of cleansing like cloths, but no, this is a little bit different. Okay. Simply use warm water to remove makeup including mascara, or as a pre-cleansing tool. Reusable and washable, your gym comrade, your travel companion, call in all humans, bin the wipes. Okay, let's open this up and show you what it's like. It's like a little mitt. Oh, it's quite nice actually. I use lots and lots of cloths, but actually having like a mitt to do it, you can get right in there, can't you? Yeah, I do really like the idea of that. So there's that. And then lastly, we have got a product by Kiehls, and this is an ultra facial cream, 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula for healthy looking skin with glacial glycoprotein, and there's 7 mils here, so it's a little mini one. A unique lightweight texture with a promise of 24 hours of lasting hydration. It's little wonder this ultra hydrating face cream is Kiehls' best-selling formula. Made with olive-derived squalene, the cream recovers the skin's barrier function 55% faster, leaving even the most sensitive of skin feeling comforted. Now, I have tried this before. I've received little mini ones like this before, and I do really like it. I've actually got 1 or 2 of them in a box at the moment that I haven't touched yet. It's for whenever I go away for the night. Something like that. So perfect size. Perfect size. Yeah, it does feel nice. It does feel really, really nice. So to recap, I'll just go through them one by one. So we got a Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream. We've got a Loctane Hand Cream. We've got an It's a 10 Leave-In Treatment Spray. We've got a Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Superfood Facial Oil. We've got an e.l.f. Holy Hydration Facial Cream. We've got a Working Styling Spray by Mark Hill. We've got a Bakuchiol Serum by Boots Ingredients. We've got a Powder Blush by Bare Minerals. We've got a Cleanse Off Mitt by Skin Nerd. We've got a Dry Shampoo by Batiste. We've got a Pillow Mist by Natural Inspired Botanics. We've got a Sunday Rain Coffee and Vanilla Dry Body Scrub. And lastly, we've got a Garnier Ultimate Blends Shampoo Bar. So 13 products in all, 11 are full size. The cost of the box is £32 unless you are a pro subscriber, which will bring the cost down a little bit, and the value is £128. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you already bought it, or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.